Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we are diving into Wix Studio and I am going to show you how to create a slider style repeater step by step. If you are a complete new to this, don't worry, I am going to explain everything in the simple language. By the end of this video, you will be able to build a clean interactive slider repeater for your site. So let's jump in right in the video. So what you have to do is just simply first thing first, open up your Wix site into the editor. As you can see here, just simply click on the sites. Now as you can see, I have chosen the site and choose the your site and simply click on this. If you just simply click on the edit site or select site, I will choose edit sites, so it will redirect me to their editor. So yeah, now what you have to do, let's create some space for the repeater. First thing, give a few seconds to load this website, and so we have successfully opened our website. What we have to do is simply create some space for the repeater. Now scroll down to the part of the page where you want to do it to go. Then hover between section until you see a blue plus plugin. As you can see, this one. Over here you can add a section over here. Now just simply click a new section. Now we have successfully added a blank section. You can go with the blank section so that we have a clean space to work with. Now now it's time to add the slider repeater. Now we will add the slider repeater. Look at the top left corner of add elements button. This is your toolbox for adding elements. You can choose from here as well. Now just simply click over here, so it will open panel something like this. Now you have to search for layout tools. Just simply search where is layout tools. I think there is no option layout in the Wix in the Wix Classic, but if you go into Wix Studio as have right now, so where that has gone, the Wix Studio, you will get to see add elements. As I said, the Wix Classic doesn't have this option right now if you see, but if you go into Wix Studio where you can add the where you can add a content layout, for example, layout tools, just simply click on the plus icon. From here you can add layout tools, so make sure that you are using Wix Studio to get this option. And yeah, now let's over here you will get to see this slideshow repeater. Just choose that, and first of all we will make the section over here, so the things not get collapse on each other. Add a selection, and what I will do, I will just simply add an element. I will go into the layout tools and slide repeater. Now over here you have to choose the slider. Just simply I will choose this random one. Now as you can see here, whenever I click on this page, it moves. So now if you want to, you can customize as well. Now if you want to change this name, you can change that too, but if you want to change this image, you can create a image as well. You can change image as well. For example, what I will do, I will just go into media Wix and choose this image just for the sake of tutorial. It nothing to do with the website. And if I go over here, now let's add cell if you want. Now just see in the preview editor or preview test site. I will choose preview test site, create a test site, and it will create a few give a few seconds. Let's see that it is working or not. So this is the way you can add your slider into your Wix. Now let's see. I think our preview site has been ready. Just simply go into it and scroll down a little bit, and here we go. I think I have to okay, there you go. We have lots of images. Whenever I uh, click on the left side, it is sliding. So this is how you can test it. Now go back into your editor, and from here you can click in the top right corner. If you see, you will get to see this publish icon where you can publish your website. Just simply click on this publish. So yeah, before anything you do, just test it, and after the testing you will get the answer, is it good or is it not good. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and if you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.